Markets just closed, and here's the question everyone's asking. Why is fear gripping the market at 29 out of 100 while tech is absolutely ripping higher? That's the contradiction we're unpacking right now. The macro backdrop is critical here. Consumer inflation ticked up to 332.813 in July, signaling persistent price pressures that keep the Federal Reserve in a holding pattern. This tension between sticky inflation and growth concerns is creating this weird dynamic where defensive names are getting hammered, but mega-cap tech is finding strength. It's a classic risk-on move, masking real underlying anxiety. Let's get to the final tally. The S&P 500 closed up 50.69 points, gaining 0.65%. The Nasdaq absolutely crushed it with a 0.81% gain, adding 214 points and closing at 26,803. The Dow Jones lagged the party, up just 0.13% with a 69-point move. The Russell 2000 small caps added 0.3%. Tech is winning while financial stocks are getting left behind. Now here's where it gets interesting with the surprise winners. Netflix absolutely exploded, up 5.42%, closing at 78.23. Salesforce followed with a 4.14% jump to 201.32, and Tesla up a whopping 3.83% at $340, crushing it even as controversial headlines about Elon's compensation hit the wires. These are conviction moves, folks. But the losers tell the real story today. United Health Group is down 1.61% at $399 as healthcare investors rotate into safer ground. Bank of America dropped 1.1% to 64.10, and Amazon fell 0.79% to 265.16. Financial and healthcare weakness suggests investors are getting nervous about economic resilience despite the tech rally. Here's what's critical. Wall Street analysts are throwing major support behind the megacaps. Microsoft has 64 buy ratings to 0 sells. Amazon has 70 buys against 0 sells. Nvidia sits at 64 buys with just 1 sell. The analyst consensus is bullish on big tech while the fear gauge stays low. After-hours trading should tell us whether this tech momentum holds or if we see profit-taking into the close bell tomorrow. The single most important thing to watch at tomorrow's open is whether that inflation reading spooks the market at the open bell.